How's it going, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. So in today's video, something huge, almost kind of unexpected happened on the channel, and very excited to share it with you guys. I just got a phone call from my brother a couple minutes ago that he's on his way home, and whenever he gets back, we'll give you guys an update of what his new purchase just was. So we're very excited for you guys to see this, and I guess we'll just wait for him to get home.
A few moments later.
Well, I think I hear him coming up the street right now. Kind of excited, can't wait to see this. Give it a little bit. I hear him coming. You hear it before you see it, so you know that's a good sign. Oh, no way. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. How about that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The new rig. What the heck did you just do?
There it is, new purchase.
New purchase, the new build. Are you building this one?
Very much to build, but sure.
There she is, boys. I'll give them the rundown on it.
2008 Ram 3500, 6.7 Cummins.
Yes, sir. Alright, so you got the broad overview. You guys can see what it looks like. You want to give them some finer details now?
Well, we're sitting on a 24 by 14 inch fuels.
They surely make the truck pop. You think you're going to have any problems here?
Yeah,
especially in PA?
Cops are going to love me.
Yeah. My friend got pulled over sticking out an inch. How far is that?
These?
Yeah.
90% of the tire.
So what else?
Sitting on a 6-inch lift.
Before you go any further, what made you decide to buy another one?
Wanted a 6.7 for a while. Found it at a dealership, couldn't pass on it. Went and bought it.
Good deal. Think you got a good deal?
Pretty good deal, yeah.
And I already had some custom work done to it that you liked, that you would have probably done to it anyways if you bought a stock one, right?
Yeah.
So
Tuned, deleted.
Why don't you pop that hood and show them?
Look at that fancy hood too.
Yeah, a little hydraulics. You need a ladder to even look in here. Anything you want to point out?
Got the Sinister delete. Banks intake.
To the main one. Are you doing any work to it?
Gonna do headlights and taillights. That's about it.
First thing that goes.
Other than re-hitting the long arms with some white.
I'm gonna focus up here. So he thinks he's gonna do some new headlights, probably some new fogs. Notice this one was just a little damaged, just a little bit. But just some touch-up work.
So just that, and then new mirrors. Got a crack in it.
Take you guys around the back here.
4-inch straight pipe.
You gonna do an axle dump exhaust on it?
Probably just like a 6 or 8-inch tip.
That's a little small for the truck.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you gonna name that exhaust if you do that?
I gotta think on that one. Roll pan on the back.
Looks pretty good.
That's where I picked up the truck, by the way. Legacy Motors of Akron.
Shout out to the boys of Ohio.
Well,
So shout out to the boys at Legacy. I know my brother told you guys about the channel. Give you a shout out. Hopefully you guys see this video, see the rig that you sold them. About to be the next famous truck on YouTube.
oh yeah.
Everybody from the local area is gonna know who he is now. He's already got one famous truck. He's about to make two.
Yeah, talking about the other famous truck. Yes, I still got the other truck.
Yeah. Hold on. Yes. He still has the dolly. You can see. And Big Chungus is still there too.
Got the,
Hold on. You still have it, right? You're keeping it?
yeah, I'm keeping it.
Yeah.
No selling it.
So he's tired of y'all asking. Now, if you guys did, he dropped a little sneak peek on Instagram before he brought the truck home. So if you guys follow my brother on Instagram, you already saw this truck, but this is the first official video we're doing of it and formally announcing it, right?
Oh yeah.
So what else?
So we got the 8-foot bed with a 5th wheel hitch in the back.
You plan on towing anything?
With a 5th wheel? Don't know. I don't have a 5th wheel.
Is that the new next purchase? Big trailer?
I think a boat.
Boat? Yeah, you did say that in another video.
5% tent.
All the way around.
All the way around. 35 on the windshield.
So if they don't get you for the tires, they'll get you for that.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna take you guys inside here. Want to say anything about the interior?
6-speed. G56. And there's the tone. 5-position switch. EFI live.
Woo doggy.
Woo doggy.
So even though you guys heard it running when he pulled it in the street, we're gonna give you guys a nice startup. And he's just gonna park it for the rest of the day because it's Friday. We're gonna end the week a little early and just relax. So he's gonna give you a quick startup right now. Hey, give it some juice. Oh yeah, she sounds good. Well guys, I think that's going to conclude today's video. A little bit shorter than usual, but it's a big announcement. We wanted to keep this short. That way you guys can watch the future videos on this truck, right?
Oh yeah.
So I think we're just gonna sign off. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like the new truck, smash that thumbs up button and leave your thoughts and comments down below. And we're excited to, you know, have another rig on the channel, right?
Yep.
You wanna say anything?
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Thanks for watching and subscribe. I guess we'll just sign off with the usual. Always accelerate and don't look back. Catch you on the next one. Now go get that beast out of here.